Hey legends, welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to be doing some custom formatting or conditional formatting as it's also known and is probably the way that you're supposed to refer to it. Anyway, let's jump into the spreadsheet. All right, so we're back in my dummy data set, which I've used for a few tutorials now on SumIf as well as how you can create lists and things in Excel. So continuing on, we're simply going to use this spreadsheet now to highlight certain cells when one of the conditions is met in the cells above. So what this spreadsheet's doing is simply looking up the sales numbers for a region or a category. So it could be the West region and book sales, or it could be, yeah, that's exactly it. That's as simple as I can make it. So what we want to do is when you select a region, say West, I want it to highlight all the West regions in the data below. So what I'm going to do is start by selecting this whole series, so the whole range of data here from item number right through to sales. And then I'm going to go up to the conditional formatting button up here and create a new rule. Now there's a few drop down menus here. It could look different on your computer because I'm on a Mac, as I always say, but what we're looking for is the classic selection or some other variation of that. And it's basically going to have a selection in here somewhere that has use a formula to determine which cells to format. Once you find that, we're going to simply click in here and select the region, which is the one I want to change when I select the region at the top. This will become a bit more intuitive as we move on. So just use the J key perhaps to jump back. So we're selecting the region because that's what I want to highlight when I change it in my kind of lookup cell. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to say equals this cell up here. Now I'm going to delete the $sign here, which is what locks that to a certain cell in a range. So get rid of that $sign. That's going to let it move through that whole selection and find any of the West values and then highlight that whole row. So here it goes. We're going to hit OK, and look at that. Because West is the region, it's made that red, which is lovely to see. Now we're going to change that to North, and as you can see, that's highlighted all the North values in that table as well, which is very pleasing to the eye to look at, if I do say so myself. I hope this little tip was useful. If you like this type of content, make sure you drop a comment below, hit the like button and subscribe. It all helps satisfy the overlord of the YouTube algorithm, whom we all are trying to please. I also make other videos, not just Excel tutorials, so if you have some free time and have some interest in other things, then maybe check out some of my other vids as well. Anyway, that's all from me today. I'll see you soon with another video.